Imagine a world hidden deep inside your body, a world where billions of tiny travelers race through an endless network of highways every second. Your body sends millions of microscopic cells rushing through blood vessels carrying oxygen, nutrients, and life itself. This incredible system never stops, day and night, every heartbeat, every breath. Welcome to the amazing world inside your body. Today, we follow one tiny hero on an extraordinary journey, a red blood cell. Deep inside your veins and arteries, blood flows like a powerful river. Floating inside this river are red blood cells. Tiny disc-shaped cells that act as oxygen delivery trucks. Your body contains about 25 trillion red blood cells. Each one has a single mission: carry oxygen from the lungs to every cell in your body. Right now, millions of them are racing through your bloodstream at incredible speed. But their journey begins somewhere very special: the lungs. Inside your lungs are millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. Every time you breathe in, oxygen enters these air sacs. Surrounding them are extremely small blood vessels called capillaries. Here, something amazing happens. Oxygen molecules pass through the thin walls of the alveoli and enter the blood. Red blood cells absorb this oxygen using a special protein called hemoglobin. Now fully loaded with oxygen, the red blood cells prepare for the next stage of their journey. But they need a powerful engine. That engine is the heart. The heart is one of the hardest working organs in the human body. It beats about 100,000 times every day. With each powerful beat, the heart pumps oxygen-rich blood into the arteries. Inside the heart's chambers, blood cells accelerate like cars. The pressure from each heartbeat pushes them through a network of blood vessels stretching over 60,000 miles. That's twice around the Earth. Now the red blood cells are speeding toward their destination, the tissues and organs that need oxygen to survive as blood travels deeper. Arteries branch into smaller vessels called capillaries. These are so narrow that cells must pass one at a time. Here, the mission is completed. Red blood cells release oxygen into nearby body cells. Muscles use this oxygen to move. The brain uses it to think. Every organ depends on it to function. But the journey doesn't stop here. Once oxygen is delivered, the blood cells begin the return trip. Cells produce waste as they create energy. One of the main waste gases is carbon dioxide. Red blood cells collect this carbon dioxide and carry it away from the cells. Now the blood is traveling back through the veins, but sometimes the bloodstream faces unexpected danger. Tiny invaders may appear. Viruses and bacteria can sometimes enter the bloodstream. These dangerous pathogens can damage cells and cause illness. But the body has its own army of defenders. They are called white blood cells. White blood cells patrol the bloodstream like security guards. When they detect an invader, they quickly attack. Some surround and swallow the pathogen. Others release chemicals that destroy it. And most of the time, your immune system wins once the waste carbon dioxide reaches the lungs. It is released when you breathe out at the same moment. Fresh oxygen enters. The cycle continues over and over and over again. A single red blood cell can travel through the entire body in less than 1 minute. This endless circulation keeps every organ alive and working. Inside your body exists an incredible hidden world. A world of racing blood cells, powerful heartbeats, and microscopic defenders all working together every second to keep you alive. So the next time your heart beats, remember, a tiny army of cells is already racing through your veins.